Hello, my lovelies. Good morning. This is your cozy morning class. It's a very gentle morning class. If you just woke up and you're feeling just kind of maybe you didn't sleep too good, or maybe you slept really good, you just want to stay in that energy, this is the class for you. We'll be taking it nice and easy, nice and cozy this morning. Now, if you'd like to get energized, or you feel like you maybe have more energy, I do have an energized morning class. It's kind of a sister class of this one. I'll put it in the link box, description box below. As always, have any props that you have nearby. I have my blocks here. I have a strap, pillow, bolster, blanket. Maybe bring your blanket with you. Bring your stuffed animal, whatever makes you feel cozy this morning. I want you to have it here with you, and whatever is going to make this practice feel the best in your body, just have it here with you. I always like to do a little shameless self-promotion. If you'd like live yoga, live tarot readings, bonus classes, yoga challenges, all those things, I do have a yoga membership here on YouTube. You can hit the join button. It's right next to the subscribe button, either on this video or on my channel. It only kind of shows up on desktop, I think, so maybe check it out there. Or I'll also put a link for that in the description box. Maybe I'll see you there. But otherwise, we're going to get started. So we're going to take this nice, easy, cozy, gentle flow. We're going to finish this with some intention setting so you can take on your day, set your intention, and go forth with your day. So we're going to get started on our backs. I'm going to grab some water. We're going to get started in Savasana. So you're going to bring anything with you that would make this Savasana feel good. Maybe you have your blankie, maybe you have a pillow. Whatever will make you feel good and cozy in this moment. You could also do this class from your bed if you would like. So I'm taking up space on my mat in my Savasana corpse pose. You can have palms facing up to receive, palms facing down for some grounding. Most importantly, I just want you to take up space here and make yourself comfortable, cozy. So let those arms and limbs fall where they want to fall. Use any props that you need here. You can close your eyes or keep them open, whatever feels right and good to you. And just bring your awareness to your breath. Using your breath as a tool to just bring you to this moment, to your mat or to your bed. Taking this time for you to just start your day off the best way possible, just with some time for you and some movement and some intention setting. Mentally give yourself a pat on the back for being here. And just start to deepen and lengthen these inhales and exhales. And as we do that, we're just going to check in. We're going to check in and see how we're feeling. We just woke up. Maybe we got some sleepies, some crunchies. Maybe we slept kind of weird or had weird dreams. Or maybe we just slept so good that we just don't want it to end. Whatever it is, just take inventory. Notice any tensions, blockages, constraints. And if you do find any, just practicing non-judgment, non-attachment, gently letting them go. Acknowledging them, being an observer, and then use that exhale to let them go. A few more deep inhales and exhales here. As you inhale, just filling up and taking up space. And as you exhale, a gentle release. Now maybe as you breathe here, you start to invite in some movement. So perhaps wiggling the toes or wiggling the fingers. Maybe rolling out the wrists or rolling out the ankles, just gently waking the body up. When you're ready to make these movements bigger, you can extend your arms up overhead, extend those legs out, and really just reach. So we're taking this giant morning stretch on our mat. You can maybe grab for your wrist and just really lengthen and stretch here, just like really reach, like you're trying to grab something that's way over your head. Maybe point and flex the toes, just taking up space and creating space and lengthening the body here. Take a big inhale and exhale. You can release, keeping those arms up overhead. We're going to take some crescent moon stretches here. So you can bring those arms over to the right, maybe scoop those hips over to the left, and then legs also come over to the right. So like you're creating a crescent moon or a banana on your mat. You can also cross this left ankle over the right if you'd like. And you're going to feel this expansion in the left side body. Just again, creating space, taking up space, and just breathing into that left side body from left hip to left rib cage. Inhale here, exhale, release, return to center, and then we'll take it to the other side. So maybe arms come over to the left, hips come over to the right, legs come over to the left, perhaps crossing that right ankle over the left, and just taking this crescent moon stretch over to the left, breathing into the right side body. Nice big deep inhales and exhales, breathing into that space between your right hip and your right rib cage. Inhale here, exhale, return to center, release. Now you can bring your arms out to the sides. Inhale, open them up like you're about to give someone a big old hug, because we are. Exhale, brings the right arm over left, crossing your arms over your chest and just giving yourself a nice big hug here. Showing yourself some love. Maybe massaging out some of those tender spots in your shoulders or your neck from when you were sleeping. I encourage you to say some nice things about yourself here, or perhaps what you're grateful for this morning. You can say it in your mind or out loud. Inhale, open those arms up again, and exhale, this time left arm comes over, right arm comes under, giving yourself a nice big squeeze here. Again, just being kind to yourself, practicing an act of kindness to yourself and your body. Maybe saying some nice things or giving it a little massage. Whatever feels good here. Inhale to open up, and exhale. You can just drop those hands to your sides. Start to get into the lower body here. Keeping the left leg extended, right knee can bend in, bringing your foot bottom to the mat. Option to stay here. Option to open that right knee out to the side. Option to pull that right knee into the chest, perhaps use a strap here or grabbing your shin or the back of your thigh. You can hang out here, or if you'd like, you can grab the bottom of that right foot and open up to a half happy baby. Again, take the variation that works best for you. Take it step by step. We're just getting into that right hip. Breathing here. Take a big inhale, exhale, gently release. You can straighten that right leg. Now taking it to the left side, so bending that left knee in, foot bottom comes to the mat. Perhaps opening that knee up. Maybe drawing that knee into the chest. Or maybe grabbing the bottom of that left foot and opening up to a half happy baby. Right leg stays straight. And just breathing into that hip here. Inhale here, exhale, gently release. And you can shake out anything that needs to be shaken out here, anything that would feel good for you in your body. I'm kind of rocking my hips side to side or shaking out the ankles or the wrists. And then gently, when you're ready, you can draw both knees into the chest just for a moment. Maybe rock from side to side here, release the low back. And then gently drop over to one side into a fetal pose using your bottom arm as a pillow. Taking a moment here, remembering that fetal pose symbolizes fresh starts and new beginnings. So allow today to be a fresh start and a new beginning. Gently, when you're ready, you can press yourself up to a seat, any seat that you find comfortable. Finding our easy seated pose. Now remember that easy seated pose means something different to everyone. So I want you to find your easy seated pose. For me, it's with my legs crossed. You can have your legs extended. You can sit on a pillow or a bolster. Just find what makes you feel good. Bringing hands to knees. Again, palms up to receive, palms down to ground. We're just going to get into our neck a little bit. Release some of those scrunchies from the night before. Inhale here. Exhale, gently drop that right shoulder or right ear to right shoulder. Feeling that stretch in the left side of your neck. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, left ear to left shoulder. And that stretch on the right side of your neck. Inhale, center, exhale, right ear, right shoulder one more time. Encouraging that left shoulder down. I can feel mine kind of start to hike up. Just encouraging it down, feeling that stretch. Inhale, center, exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Same thing here. Encouraging that right shoulder down. And gently inhale, come center. Now, we're going to drop our chin to our chest. And I want you to shake your head no here. So really slowly, really exaggerated, shaking your head no from side to side. And just whatever you want to say no to here. So maybe it's something that you just want to release from yesterday, or something that you just don't want to carry with you into today, perhaps a bad dream, or just anything that you want to say no to. Say no to it here. No, I don't want that anymore. No, I don't want to carry that anymore. Now coming back to center, chin to chest, nod the head yes, really slowly, really exaggerating, dropping the head back, opening up the chin, the throat, and then forward, chin to chest. And now what do you want to say yes to here? So what are you inviting in today? Maybe there's something you want to accomplish today. Or, just something magical, like, yes, I want something magical to happen today, something unexpected, something good. Whatever you want to invite in today. A fresh start, a new beginning. Finish up this last round. And gently come back to center. We'll do a seated cat-cow here. So hands can now come face down on your knees. Just grab gently onto the knees. Inhale, press the chest out, lift the chin, open up the heart, open up the throat, drop the head back. Exhale, round forward, dropping chin to chest, dumbing out the shoulders, maybe grabbing onto those knees a little bit more. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Now flow through this 5 to 7 more times on your own breath, doing what feels good. So you can also kind of go from side to side. You can take some full chest circles, just whatever feels good for you, whatever's going to warm you up and wake you up for the day today, whatever your body is asking for. And finish up this last round and gently return to a neutral spine. We'll finish up with just some twists and then a fold here. You can inhale those arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. You can bring that left hand to right knee, tent that right hand behind you. maybe gaze over that shoulder, remembering to keep a tall spine here, even though we're twisted. On the inhale, maybe lengthening, and on the exhale, maybe twisting a bit more. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, twist to the left, maybe bringing right hand to left knee, tenting the left hand behind you, gazing over left shoulder. Staying nice and tall. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, perhaps twist a little more. Inhale, return to center, and exhale, release. Now we'll just gently extend the legs out if you haven't already. We're just going to finish with a simple fold here. So you can keep those feet wide to honor and make space for the belly and thighs. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, fold. Doesn't matter if you can touch your toes. You can also use a strap here. If you'd like to get deeper into the low back, you can perhaps bend the knees. If you'd like it more in the hamstrings, keeping those legs straight. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, perhaps fold a little deeper. Inhale to gently rise, and exhale, release. Now again, whatever easy seated pose you'd like to take here, we're just going to take a few moments to set an intention for the day. This is the end of this class, so I want you to set yourself up to wherever you feel good, whatever seated pose you feel comfortable in. I'm taking a Baddha Konasana just to get into my hips a little more. Now once we're here, you can close your eyes if that feels good, and just think about what you want this day to bring. Perhaps visualize it in your mind and set an intention for the day. Now, an intention can be something specific that you want to do, like today I intend to go grocery shopping or get some work done or do XYZ, or it can be a general statement. Today my intention is to be grateful. My intention is to heal. My intention is to release. My intention is to be happy, whatever that might be. My favorite affirmation or intention to start my day is everything will turn out even better than I expect. Everything will turn out even better than I expect it to. As a person with anxiety, that has kind of changed my life. So I start every day. So whatever your intention is, we're going to seal it with a breath. Take a big inhale in through the nose, filling up chest, filling up belly. Open mouth, exhale. Share that intention with the world, with the universe. Perhaps say it out loud. Now you're ready to go take on the day, my lovelies. I will see you next time. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah.